Morning all, welcome back to the channel. Sorry about the noise, there's a great big truck JCB just doing some digging, so hopefully you can hear this. Off today, bit of road, bit of trail riding, heading off to the north of the province, north of the county here. Waiting for Robert, hopefully he'll be here probably the next 5-10 minutes. Set up for today, same as last time pretty much, slightly less kit. Not taking a big tent, there's going to be a different camp setup tonight, so hopefully you'll enjoy that. A minimalist setup, i.e. something you would take as an emergency shelter and stuff like that. So I'll show you that later on. Hopefully that will be something interesting. The bike, I'll just show you the bike in a second. Yeah, the bike again today is going to be the Honda Wave 110. Not taking a tent today, so the front's got my little, I got a small table on there, a chair and stuff. There's minimal kit in the boxes and the side things, so it's pretty light today. Should be a little bit easier getting up over the hills. Don't need a lot, so I'm not taking a lot basically. Grab window. There we go. Cool, good call. That's it. You're all done, Rich. All done already. Here we are. There's the site. There we go. You can see it. That's the site for today. It's getting a bit dark. The sun's gone down. So there's a car up here. I think they just come up for the light. So let's have a look around. Yeah. Nice place. It's very cool here actually. Very, very cool.
That's what I remember. From there on, it's just like that. And I just went right into that.
Yeah, they got a bit of tingle, don't they?
Thank you. Good luck. Good luck. โชคดีนะครับครับ
They're bad, are they? They're not full of fat and stuff, you know, they're gristly bits.
Come on, sing Matilda with me, as he sang, as he watched, and he waited till his Billy Boy. You come on, waltzing Matilda with me.
I thought it was Billabong, not Billy Boy.
You seen him?
No, he was
Did
very...
you see him?
Yes, you did. He went to your house, so he must have.
I was going to say, I don't know if I saw him.
No, he came back. It wasn't here
Did I
long.
see him?
It wasn't here long. No, you didn't, mate. Robert
Oh.
saw him because he was at your house. Yeah,
See, I got out
Well,
of that one.
I must have seen him, man.
yeah, he was at your house. Yeah.
I didn't know.
Actually, I'll tell you what. It was the December after we come back from Cambodia when Richard had his accident. That's when he was here last. A couple of years ago now. It's bedtime. As you can probably hear, I'm next to the Bogan Yeti. It's having a good snore and a good sleep, so I'm going to have to put my earplugs in. My little tube thing. Nice and compact, nice and comfortable. See you guys in the morning. Oh, it's fresh. Oh, very fresh. So, Rab, what do you think of the camp?
Nice. It just looks too stressful to me.
Yeah.
Oh, it has speed beer too in cases. What does? Is it pretty good?
Ah, yes. Wow, it's good.
It's better beer than here. He and the missus went.
There's no roads in the island.
No.
40 minutes walking, or you can take a boat for a minute.
So we're back. Just gonna refresh and then head back. Nearly back. So just come back and not anything serious. Just the foot peg. The bolts have come out. So I was going to do them at home, but Com's obviously going to do them now, which is cool. Rob's doing something.
Rob think was fine. Don't pay Rod found something.
Yeah, the front rack's a bit dodgy, so trying to get them fixed up. Call my resident engineer.
I thought staff now. I'll have to watch it outside the house, like.
Yeah. So back safely. Cons just did the pegs for me, so good. And all the bikes are good. On the Wave has always did a great job. Great bike. Couple bolts, lost a couple bolts, but performs superbly well as always. So hopefully see you in a couple of days.